Hello friends.
Welcome to Behavioral Finance Games that shows how your brain makes decisions in life and while investing.
Why are you picking the large cup?
Because I'm with my wife, I think about her as.
He was just playing with my mind, bro.
Now this is a
ये फंस गया है।
10 rupees?
10 rupees. Oh.
आज बहुत एक important lesson सीखने वाले हैं।
I can be honest. Actually हम लोग ऑलरेडी 2 घंटे से यहाँ पे घूम ही रहे थे।
क्योंकि कभी कभी जो रहता है वो होता नहीं है और कभी कभी जो होता है वो रहता नहीं है।
Well, these aren't just snacks and games. They are a window into your mind and your money. Today's activity is all about choice. So we are offering free coffee just in 2 different glasses. One tall, one short, totally free. Where's the twist? Well, people can pick only one. Which one would you choose? There's some great free coffee for you over here. There's a tall cup, there's a short cup. ये दोनों में आप जो pick करेंगे, you will get that cup of coffee. Now you just have to make a choice. So which one are you picking?
I guess I should choose.
I think I'm gonna go for the taller one.
बड़ा वाला भी इसको ही करूँगी।
Bigger one because I like a coffee more.
Okay.
Small one.
Small one.
I will pick large.
Large one.
The larger one. Taller one.
Obviously taller.
Obviously taller.
I mean, without any disclaimer, like
You are, so if you want to check, you can check, but I can assure you both the cups have coffee. Can you tell me why did you choose the taller one?
Honestly, I just love coffee and I just saw free coffee and I was really wanting coffee. That's why I went for the taller.
So you just want the bigger one and make the most of it.
I want more coffee because you
Okay.
can't have enough coffee ever.
Because I'm feeling like having more coffee right now.
मैं पूछ सकता हूँ क्यों?
क्योंकि साइज बड़ा है इसका इसलिए।
अच्छा, और आपको ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी चाहिए?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I am not that much hungry, but I want that kick also.
Why are you picking the large cup?
Because I'm with my wife, so I think about her as.
So you are planning to share
It will have more coffee.
big coffee. So you want more coffee. That is why you are picking the taller cup. Obviously taller. Okay, what is so obvious in the taller one?
That is a fulfilled.
Okay, because you think the smaller cup will have less coffee.
Now this is a tricky.
ये फंस गया है.
बिफोर आई चूज क्या मैं चेक कर सकता हूँ कि किसमें मतलब कैसा है अमाउंट?
ओमकार, आप आज बहुत एक important lesson सीखने वाले हैं, ठीक है? So Sneh, the thing is, you should have ideally asked us which one should you be choosing because you saw the size of the cup and you thought that there will be more coffee in this since the size of the cup is bigger and size छोटा है तो कम quantity होगा. But that is always not the case, you know. So ideally what you should have done, Karuna ji, is you should have checked the content of both the cups before making your choice.
Shall I?
Yeah, go for it.
ये तो स्कैम हो गया।
Yeah, so ये तो तू अकेला भी तेरे लिए कम है।
हाँ ना।
दोनों तो क्या ही पियोगे। Even during investments, people should do these checks before making their decisions, any financial decision. And what you did, my brother Shehzan, was very ideal. Okay, you asked, you checked about the content in the cup first, and then you made your choice. It was a very informed decision that you took. You're a very smart guy, bro. Congrats and enjoy your cup of coffee. So why did everyone pick the bigger container? Because of framing bias. Your brain makes a judgment based on the container and not the content inside. This is framing bias which shows up everywhere, even in your financial decisions. So what happens is a fancy label can make something feel special, but it might just be an average investment. At Bajaj Finserv Mutual Fund, we use InCube philosophy, where we layer financial insights with behavioral science to make rational investment decisions, so that our funds perform better in the longer run.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.